Hello students, good morning you to all. आमे माने प्रीवियस क्लास रे किछि लिविंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आलोचना करिथिले। आज आउ किछि लिविंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को आलोचना करिबा। देखो होमियोस्टैसिस Students, homeostasis for you is a new concept. The concept was given by Claude Bernard. And the term was coined by Walter Cannon. Walter Cannon coined the term and Claude Bernard first gave the concept ता concept बाबद रे प्रथम लोक जे कि देले से होचंती क्लाउडे बर्नार्ड एवं से टर्म टी कुछ होमियोस्टैसिस बोली गोटे टर्म जे देले से होचंती वाल्टर कैनन. सो व्हाट इज दैट होमियोस्टैसिस देन? होमियोस्टैसिस इज द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ constancy in the internal environment despite changes in the external environment. Whatever may be your external environment, it may changes, means it may increases, it may decreases, it may fluctuate, but our internal environment remains always the constant. That is the homeostasis. कौन पिला माने अर्थ? In the body of living organism there is one internal environment, and the internal environment constitute the components. All are remains always fairly the constant. For example, our body temperature remains fairly the constant, that is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 Fahrenheit. Wherever you may go, you may go to Leh Ladakh, where always there is minus temperature, and where if you may go to desert where temperature 50 plus. So your body temperature always remains constant if you are maintaining healthy condition. So the temperature always remains, and we have one self-regulatory mechanism for this. Similarly, there is water level remains constant in our body. Whatever amount of water you may take, but the water level remain constant. If any deviation occur, increases, that is called oedema, or decreases, that is called dehydration, that may cause diseases, disorder condition, results to disorder condition. Or else in healthy human being the level of water always remains the constant, and it also regulated by self-regulatory mechanism. So that is your homeostasis. Next, another characteristic, that is metabolism. The term metabolism, what is metabolism? It is the all activities performed by the living organism. What you perform, all the activities performed by the living organism togetherly called metabolism or metabolic activity. And metabolism consists of anabolism and catabolism plus catabolism. The sum total activities. So what is metabolism then? The sum total activities performed by a living organism that is called metabolism. And it completes in two phases. One is anabolism and second is catabolism. Anabolism is the constructive metabolism, constructive process, is a synthetic phase, whereas catabolism is a destructive metabolism. It is a destructive process. So anabolism, a complex molecule is formed by taking simpler one. But in catabolism, simpler molecules are formed from the complex one. Anabolism, we requires energy, but in catabolism, we liberates energy. For example, pilamane 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight, with its own chlorophyll pigment. What is synthesized? C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of water plus 6 molecule of oxygen that is liberated to the atmosphere. So this is one anabolic process. By taking the simpler molecules like carbon dioxide and water, utilizing the energy source that is sunlight, the complex molecule like glucose is synthesized. So this is an anabolic process. This is one synthetic process, synthetic phase, constructive metabolism. What is synthesized? What is constructed? Glucose is synthesized by taking or from the simpler molecules like carbon dioxide and water. And the process is called photosynthesis. This is called your photosynthesis. Again, catabolism, C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen gives rise to 6CO2 plus water molecule plus energy. This is your respiration. So photosynthesis, one anabolic process. Respiration is your catabolic process. Photosynthesis gote anabolic process, respiration gote catabolic process. Teno respiration, it is an catabolic process where the complex molecule breaks to form simpler molecules like carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water भली simpler molecule हमें पाइले. कंपेयर करो पिला माने एठी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर को नेकरी आमे ग्लूकोज तैयारी कले, ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट कले एटमॉस्फेयर को. एठी ग्लूकोज को ऑक्सीजन रो प्रेजेंस रे भांगिले आमे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर पाइले. एठी पिला माने आमे एनर्जी यूटिलाइज करथिले, एठी एनर्जी को आमे रिलीज कले. एनर्जी इज यूटिलाइज्ड, हियर एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड. एपटर रिएक्टेंट साइड, एपटर प्रोडक्ट साइड. एपटर प्रोडक्ट साइड एपटर रिएक्टेंट आर रिएक्टेंट आर प्रोडक्ट आर रिएक्टेंट आर प्रोडक्ट तेणु अनाबोलिज्म पिला माने गोटे कंस्ट्रक्टिव प्रोसेस कैटाबोलिज्म होची गोटे डिस्ट्रक्टिव प्रोसेस अनाबोलिज्म को सेति पई आमे कहूचे कंस्ट्रक्टिव मेटाबोलिज्म कैटाबोलिज्म को कहूचे डिस्ट्रक्टिव मेटाबोलिज्म अनाबोलिज्म रे आमे कोन करूचे सिंपलर मॉलिक्यूल्स को नेकरी कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल तैयारी करूचे कैटाबोलिज्म रे कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल को भांगी सिंपलर मॉलिक्यूल पाउचे अनाबोलिज्म रे एनर्जी को हमें यूटिलाइज करूचे वी कंज्यूम एनर्जी कैटाबोलिज्म रे वी लिबरेट्स एनर्जी योर फोटोसिंथेसिस इज एन एनाबोलिक प्रोसेस योर रेस्पिरेशन जारण इज ए catabolic process so simultaneously in the body of all living organism such anabolic processes as well as catabolic processes are going on that is called metabolism next irritability or consciousness irritability what is this type of living characteristic respond to any external or internal stimulus it means respond to response to any external or internal stimulus respond to any external or internal stimulus what is this what is pila mane stimulus kon it is a change in the environment change in the environment change in the environment so to a stimulus the living organism respond and accordingly we are having different sense organ any type of stimulus the living organism respond to that stimulus is called irritability I mean एमतिर कहूचे don't irritate me I will beat you don't irritate me I will beat you मते चिड़ा ना ता माने किछि कारक प्रति मु विरक्त प्रकाश करिबी so accordingly there are certain stimulus and the receptor cells are there your sense organ receptor cells and stimulus sense organ है your eye sense organ the receptor cells photoreceptor cells light is the stimulus तामाने नॉर्मली आम बॉडी टाको आम लाइट मन कर पकेबा लाइट गोटे कारक स्टिमुलस आम बॉडी रो को पार्टटा ताको रिएक्ट करिवो स्किन तो एमती एमती हेबनी नाक तो आम किछि करिबानी जीभरे आम किछि करिबानी कानरे भी ताको रेस्पोंड करिबानी गोटे स्ट्रांग लाइट मन कर तुम बॉडी ऊपर जणे अप्लाई कला व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस occur in your body your eye blinks so that to that stimulus the specific receptor cell photoreceptor cell present in your eye that reacts similarly ear is your sense organ phonoreceptor cell phonoreceptor cell. Sound, phonoreceptor cell, sound. Your nose, olfactoreceptor cell, olfactoreceptor. Smell is the stimulus. Smell is the stimulus. Your tongue, another sense organ, gustatory receptor cell. Gustatory receptor cells. Gustatory receptor cells. And your taste is the stimulus. Your skin is the sense organ. Thigmoreceptor cells. Touch. Thermoreceptor cells also present in skin. Thermoreceptor cells. Your heat, etc. So there are different sense organ, and different sense organ they possesses respectively the different receptor cells, and the different receptor cells they accordingly receive the different stimulus, and that is called irritability. And this characteristic, living characteristic, is poorly developed in case of plants. Your touch me not plant, छुई मुई, लाजकुली लता से जदि आम कि पानी पकईदबा ड्रोपिंग ऑफ लीव्स अकर. नेक्स्ट, reproduction. It is another living characteristic. Reproduction, it is another living characteristic. Every organisms they reproduce. पिला माने, what is reproduction? Produce of their own, तक कहबा reproduction. Produce of their own, formation of new young ones. Formation of new young ones of their own from the existing grown up parent. That is called reproduction. And this is one characteristic of a living organism. Next, your growth. The irreversible increase in, it is the irreversible increase in number, size, volume of cells, tissues, organ, and finally the organism. All we multicellular organisms, we start our development from a single cell zygote. आमे स्टार्टिंग करिचे गोटे जाइगोट रू, बट आमे जिते बेले गोटे 60 kg ह्यूमन बीइंग हो जाउचे सेठी हम पाखरे 100 ट्रिलियन संख्यक सेल अछि. से 100 ट्रिलियन संख्यक सेल दे आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनटू सेल्स इनटू टिश्यू, टिश्यू इनटू ऑर्गन, ऑर्गन इनटू ऑर्गन सिस्टम, लाइक दिस. सो आमे आकु कहले ग्रोथ अकर्स, एंड ग्रोथ अकर्स when anabolism exceeds catabolism, that is positive growth. Anabolism when exceeds catabolism, that is called positive growth. Positive growth. When anabolism less than catabolism, that is your negative growth. Negative growth. But when anabolism is equal to catabolism, anabolism is equal to catabolism, your zero growth is your zero growth. So growth may be positive growth, may be negative growth, zero growth. Positive growth हमें गढ़िले बेसी भांगिले कम. Anabolism exceeds catabolism. हमें भांगिले बेसी गढ़िले कम, that is negative growth. And zero growth, anabolism is equal to catabolism. पिला माने देखिथिबो पुराना बिल्डिंग मंदिर फंदिर रे पूरा कला कला होकर थी खरा दिने जितेबाला वर्षा पानी टी पड़ो से शिउली भली गजुर सो से पाखे लाइफ एक्जिस्ट करी बट ग्रोथ जीरो होती. एनाबोलिज्म कैटाबोलिज्म समान समान जितेबाला एनाबोलिज्म अधिक है से पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ है. अगेन ग्रोथ अगेन टू टाइप्स, प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक ग्रोथ एंड एपोप्लाज्मिक ग्रोथ. इट इज फर्दर ऑफ टू टाइप्स growth, protoplasmic and apoplasmic growth. Protoplasmic growth and apoplasmic growth. एपोप्लाज्मिक ग्रोथ साधा भाषा रे आमे बुझाइबा जदि सिंप्लिसिटी रे बुझ पिला माने ब्रिक्स आर देयर, इटा अच्छी, सीमेंट अच्छी, पानी अच्छी, बाली अच्छी, आमे ताकू नै करी गोटे बिल्डिंग तैयारी करूचे. सो दे आर द कंपोनेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट बिल्डिंग जो थिरे इटा हला मने कर कंसीडर कर ताकू सेल एवं पानी सीमेंट बाली दे आर द मैट्रिक्स. एंड सिमिलरली प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक ग्रोथ मीन्स ग्रोथ occurs in protoplasm. Growth occurs in protoplasm. Protoplasm, that is living substance. That is living substance. And apoplasmic growth means growth occurs in your matrix that is non-living substance. So growth, positive growth, negative growth, zero growth, growth protoplasmic growth and apoplasmic growth. Next, movement and locomotion, another living characteristic, movement and locomotion. What is movement and what is locomotion? Are these two terms are synonymous? Not at all. पिला माने मु एमती मुंड को हलेली कौन कहबा हमें मूवमेंट ऑफ हेड, मूवमेंट ऑफ टंग, मूवमेंट ऑफ हैंड्स, मूवमेंट ऑफ लेग्स. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज मूवमेंट? द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड मूवमेंट. The displacement of movement, the displacement of any part of body, that may be external movement, internal movement, that may be external movement, internal movement, external movement, internal movement, that may be muscular movement, non-muscular movement, etc. And what is locomotion? Locomotion is the displacement of the entire body of an organism. The displacement of entire body of organism. Entire body of organism for a specific purpose. For a specific purpose, that is locomotion. This is locomotion. This is movement. Any specific purpose means searching of food, searching of mating partner, that is locomotion, and this is movement. So movement and locomotion also one living characteristic, though very poor or absolutely absent in case of plants, but plants internal movement is there, though any external movement is not found, but there is internal movement there. Next, adaptation. Adaptation, another living characteristic. Adaptation. Adaptation पिला माने आमर चारोटी जाक आंगुठी एमिति बुढ़ा आंगुठी टें तो अपोजिट व्हाई भाविनियो टिके नाकू जे बुढ़ा आंगुठी एई भली गोटे पांचटा आंगुठी हेकरी अछि एटा गोटे मोर बुढ़ा आंगुठी एवं एतिकी को भाविकी धरिल किछि जिनिस आमे किछि भी धरि परिबा कि ना नाही सो देयर इज एन अडैप्टेशन and this adaptation is a permanent adaptation for a long period of time, that is permanent adaptation. आउटे पिला माने कहूचे we are also four-footed animal, bird also four-footed animal. bird को आमे चतुष्पद प्राणी कहिबा आमको भी आमे चतुष्पद प्राणी बोली कहिबा बट bird रो आमे जदि चतुष्पद प्राणी कहिबा कोठी ताकू चतुष्पद देखिबा ना ता पाखरे first pair of forelimb, the pair of forelimb modified into wings, and that is also one permanent adaptation for flight adaptation. So what is adaptation then? It is the changes occur in an organism. The changes occur in organism, adaptation. The changes occur in an organism that favorably helps to live in a changing surrounding, that is called adaptation. पिला माने our environment is a continuously changing environment. Continuously it changes in different season of a year, and it also changes in different periods of a day also. So to that changing environment, to that fluctuating environment, certain changes also occur in the organism, and that changes may be morphological changes, physiological changes, behavioral changes, developmental changes. So changes occur in an organism, and that changes favorably helps the organism to live, to cope with the fluctuating environment. परिवेश सहित खाप खुआई चलिबा पई आम मानक पाखरे जो किछि परिवर्तन ताकू कहबा अडाप्टेशन एंड दिस अडाप्टेशन इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स one is short term adaptation like your skin tanning or darkening of skin means our skin synthesizes one pigment called melanin pigment and that melanin pigment that prevent the ultraviolet ray of sun to dip into our body. So देखिबो पिला माने आमे कंपैरेटिवली जो जगह गुडी को हमर कवर्ड होची सेटा कंपैरेटिवली लाइट than the uncovered area. देखिबो चप्पल आमे पिंधुचे जो जगहटारे हमर टेपटा रहउची से जगहटा हमर पूरा व्हाइट हेकि रहिता होची आउ बाकी तक जगह से एक्सपोज हला सनलाइट को तेनु ताकू प्रिवेंट करिया पय सेठी मेलानिन पिगमेंट हला तेनु डार्केनिंग ऑफ स्किन पुण जेते बेले आमे किछि दिनी चप्पल पिंधि बानी आज यूजुअल हे जिवो सो दैट इज ए शॉर्ट टर्म अडैप्टेशन सो शॉर्ट टर्म अडैप्टेशन मींस changes occur for a short period of time short term adaptation your hibernation estivation and estivation शीत निद्रा उष्म निद्रा दी प्रकार ऑर्गेनिज्म पिला माने अछंती हमर द कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल एंड वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल ताको आउथरे कहिबा कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल कहा को कहिबा और पोइकिलोथर्मस बोली ताको कहउचे द एनिमल्स इन व्हिच द बॉडी टेम्परेचर आल्सो फ्लक्चुएट टुवर्ड्स द फ्लक्चुएटिंग एनवायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर तामाने आमे कहिले environment always changes so towards the fluctuating environment when our body temperature also fluctuate we are called cold blooded animal poikilothermos animal and who except birds and mammals all are cold blooded animal but in case of birds and mammals irrespective of the fluctuating environmental temperature their body temperature remains fairly the constant so those are cold blooded animals they went on hibernation and estivation your winter sleep and summer sleep so that is short term adaptation when changes occur for a short period of time then long term adaptation when changes occur permanently one type of permanent long period of time your opposable thumb in human सब आंगुठी गुड़ाक एपटे गुड़ा आंगुठा एपटे to hold the things opposable thumb in human forelimbs modified into wings forelimb modified into wings so all these are students all these are the certain living characteristic आउ किछि living characteristic अछि ताकू आइदर देखिबा किंबा कमिंग क्लास रे आमे ताकू पढिबा so for today's only this much thank you all